Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Garage Shenanigans. I got a suction cup I bought for $5. I'm going to fix a dent I punched in the car because I got a speeding ticket, but that doesn't matter. What matters is trying to see if we can get this dent out of the car using just a suction cup. If it doesn't work, I'm going to try to use a heat gun as well, but I think the suction cup will be just enough. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't want to stick. It was sticking to stuff earlier. Almost. It actually works really well. Oh, if you can just get it to stick.
Me.
Less dented,
Yes.
but I feel like it can be better. Now the suction cup doesn't want to stick to just the small little dented part. Almost.
Suction cup is usually amazing. Pulled up our entire counter.
Maybe I need water. Hang on. Probably should have made it wet first. This is just a little cleaner thing. Maybe this will help the suctioning.
Or make it suck more.
Nope.
Try wiping off the suction cup.
Nope.
I love that we just have that laying around. Gross.
Oh. Okay. I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get. So in conclusion, it helped it. It's not a 100% fix, but it is better. The issue with it is it needs a perfectly flat surface, and with it being a dent, it's obviously not a perfectly flat surface. So I think what I was able to do is kind of get it on a flat surface and kind of move it over there with it wet, like this. That kind of allowed me to move it over there. And I pulled on it, but it's not nearly as effective as it could be. Nonetheless though, that's this video. I guess like, comment, subscribe. If you have a better idea to get the rest of this dent out, let me know. But until then, I'll put this product in the description of the video if you want it. It's $5. It's not bad. If it's something like a door, like a big dent, they might help. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. That's it for this video.